Day 6 reasoning. Angela says every multiple of 9s ends in an odd number. Well, she is not correct because 18 is a multiple of 9, and so is 36 and 54, and they are definitely not odd numbers. So she's incorrect. Well, we've got a square, so that means all the sides are the same length. That's 6 and that's 1. That's the y value, so it must be a side of 5, and that must be 5 there. So the area of the square is 5 times 5, which is 25 square units. The coordinates of the centre, right, well, if that's 5, it must be 2.5 from here and 2.5 from this side. Well, it goes from 1 to 6, so the y coordinate is 3.5. 1 plus 2.5 is halfway. And the x coordinate is -4 plus 2.5, which is -1.5. So the coordinates are -1.5, 3.5. Put a number in the boxes to make these statements true. Well, if x is equal to 5, x plus 3 is 3 more than 5, which is 8. If 3y is equal to 12, then y must be 4. 5 minus z is equal to -3. Well, 5 minus 8 is -3. Draw a rectangle with a perimeter of 20 and an area of 16. Okay, we need to sort of try a few first. If it was a square, and the area, that would be an area of 16, but the perimeter would only be 16. So what about an 8 by 2? Let's see if that works. 8 by 2, 8 and 2 is 10, so the perimeter is 20 and the area is 16. So now we've just got to draw it accurately. Well, it's 8 centimetres by 2 centimetres. As accurately as you can get it. Draw it with a pencil if you can. An 8 by 2, but at least show somewhere that you've found that it's an 8 by 2. Cheese costs £8.50 for a kilogram. Joanna buys 100 grams of cheddar cheese, so she buys 1/10 of a kilogram. So 1/10 of £8.50 is 0.85 or 85p. Cream cheese costs £4.50 for a kilogram. She buys a pot of cream cheese for 90p, so she pays 1/5 of £4.50 because 5 times 90 is 450. So she must have bought 1/5 of a kilogram. Well, 1/5 of 1,000 grams, because a kilogram is 1,000 grams, is 200 grams. And finally, what is 1 mile in meters? Okay, well, 5 miles is 8 kilometers, so 1 mile is 8 divided by 5. 8 divided by 5 is 1.6 kilometers, which is 1,600 meters.